For months, Honor's mysterious robot phone has been surrounded by leaks and teasers, and now we've got one of the biggest previews yet. A leaked unboxing video has surfaced on Weibo, giving us our clearest look at the retail package and revealing a few more exciting details before the official launch. The timing isn't a coincidence either. Honor has already opened reservations for the device and officially confirmed several key hardware features. On top of that, the phone has recently cleared both MIIT and 3C certification in China, while previous leaks have already revealed its display specifications and chipset. Everything is pointing toward an official launch that's just around the corner. Now, let's talk about the unboxing leak itself. The video shows the phone neatly placed on the left side of the box, while the right side features the bold slogan, "Your first robot phone." It's clear Honor wants everyone to know this isn't just another smartphone, it's introducing an entirely new concept. Turning to the back of the device, we once again see that massive rectangular camera island that's become the robot phone's signature design. On the left sits the main camera attached to its incredible robotic arm gimbal, while the secondary camera and LED flash are positioned on the right. Here's where things get really interesting. According to the leak, simply sliding open the camera lens cover automatically activates the robotic arm, which unfolds in just 0.8 seconds. As the arm extends, the display plays a custom animation, making the entire experience feel futuristic and almost like interacting with a tiny robot rather than a smartphone. When folded, the robotic arm sits completely flush with the phone's body, so it won't interfere with your grip during everyday use. But once deployed, it unlocks some impressive capabilities. The camera can rotate a full 360 degrees, intelligently track subjects, automatically compose shots, and continuously follow moving subjects without requiring manual adjustments. Honor isn't relying on the robotic arm alone for stabilization either. The system combines 3-axis optical image stabilization, a 4DOF mechanical gimbal, a dedicated imaging coprocessor, and AI-powered stabilization algorithms. Together, they reportedly achieve CIPA 5.5 level stabilization, which promises extremely steady photos and videos even during handheld shooting. Honor has already demonstrated what this camera is capable of in the real world. During the Shanghai International Film Festival, the robot phone was used to capture cinematic portrait shots of festival jury members, showcasing the camera's stabilization, tracking, and professional-looking results. With reservations already live, official hardware details being revealed one after another, certifications completed, and now an entire unboxing video leaking online, all signs suggest Honor's robot phone is only days away from its official debut. If the final product delivers everything these leaks promise, this could easily become one of the most unique smartphone launches we've seen in years. So stay tuned, because we'll bring you every official detail the moment Honor makes it official. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for all the latest smartphone leaks and launches.